Hey everyone, I'm back with another sneaker video. Today we're going to be doing the Jordan 5 Grapes. I got a pair of size 14 here. I did one shoe already, so today instead of cleaning, we're going to be restoring. So therefore we're going to be cleaning, painting, spraying with the matte finish, and finishing it up. We're going to be doing everything that we did in the last video, along with some additional painting. So here I have the shoe that I did. Pretty fresh. Right here, actually, this is how I got them. They were slightly burned, so like they must have stepped up against something right here. But the rest of the shoe, already some yellowing took out of it. You know, they were real dirty. The inside, perfect. It's just overall good shoe. I could not paint these shark teeth right here because I do not have that paint and I did not want to risk messing up. So now you saw the good shoe. Here's the bad one. This is the bad shoe. If you can see, there's a lot of paint cracking. How dirty it all is. All the white, and then over here in the corner, this white. And the inside, it's got a lot of dirt on the inside. Even the laces here, not in good condition. Just very dirty. And here's your bottom. So it's not in good condition at all. So we're gonna be making this crispy, just like this one. So let's get started.
Young Zen on the track.
Beats.
Alright, so we're going to start this video off by putting the shoe tree in. Unlacing them.
I just like the sound of it.
Let's get it clean.
I just like the sound of it.
Alright everyone, we're back after the washer. You can see they smell a lot better. Still a lot of scuffing and everything. We're going to get that out with paint remover and everything. But the bottoms are very yellow. As you can see, compared to the other ones, these ones are a lot less yellow, especially right here and over here and here. These ones are like a dark yellow, dark greenish yellow. These are like a lighter yellow. But I couldn't do any more sessions on these because it would have burned through. I did not want to hurt the actual shoe itself. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be applying some Salon Care 40. So let's get to it.
just like the sound of it.
All right, everyone, we're back after the prepping of the bottom. We did clean off a lot of the yellowing, still yellow. A lot of the dirt came off of here, looking good. So now we're going to be stripping the shoes with acetone and just some paper towels. So let's get to it.
I just like the sound of it.
So I'm gonna be starting by painting Angelus acrylic leather paint. I'm gonna be starting on painting the uppers, and I'm gonna use an angular brush. Alright, everyone, we're back after painting the white. As you can see, it's looking a lot better. And we're yellowing over here. Toe box is white again. Now we're going to get on to the purple first. Then we're going to end with the black. So let's get to it. Alright everyone, we're going to be putting a matte finish on the grapes using Krylon matte finish. You can get this at a Walmart, Home Depot, anything like that. So we're just going to do some light sprays over it, leave it out here to dry, come back, do another coat, and finish it up. Finally finished with the shoes. Could barely tell that we even restored it. Looks brand new, except for the bottom. You can tell there. The uppers are looking great. Except for this little spot right here. It's on both of them. It's a little spot. But looks great. Shoes are nice and clean. Perfect.
Young Zen on the track.
Simon Beats.